Hello learners, this is day 10 and today we will be going for Khatu Sham Mandir for the temple darshan and we will be going with my family and one of my friend's family. So we we will go by a car and this is my first visit of Khatu Sham temple and I am very excited as well as my wife also and let's see what will happen in tour and what will be the update. So I will make another video to share the all the experience or what I had or what I will be having in Khatu Sham temple visit. So this is the day 10 video and today I start my day to read one article. Sorry, I totally missed the flow. When we talk or when we speak English, so someday you also realize that the flow is not coming. I don't know this happening with me. If you guys feeling the same, so please share your thoughts in comment box and I love to hear your thought also, like what you feel when you speak English. And some day you feel very confident, you speak like very fluently, and some days it's not comes naturally, like you have to take to effort. So I think the today I need to take more effort, so I feel this not nervousness but it's like words not coming naturally. And someday like I feel very confident, very natural. So that I did that those days I feel very confident. So yeah, uh, while I'm making videos, while I'm while I making these videos, so I feel the same. Someday my videos like recorded in very well, in very fluent, like I don't know, have this breathing problem. Today I feel little like sort of breath is not come properly, my breath is not come properly. So this happened with me. If you face the same thing or you if you face the same feeling, so please let me know your thought on this. So let's little bit more talk about tour. So like kids are very excited to go, and I think always okay. I remember when I was kid, so I used to go to my nani or my dadi house from the train, because my father usually use train journey. At that time, we don't have most of the family don't have car, bike or other thing, or bus was also expensive, so train was the safest and the cheapest option at my father's generation. But luckily like we have one family car, so yeah, we use that car for our purposes. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I try to I can talk more and more, but yeah, I try to be short. I try to be make short videos, not longer videos. Yeah, so this is about for the morning session. If I got the time in evening, so yeah, definitely I will record another video. Otherwise, that's it for now, and bye bye. Please, guys, do subscribe and like my channel. And it's a journey, so I want to your support. And if you need any help or support from my side, I do intensively, I do intensively research on like how I can learn this language very effectively or very easily. So I try to find new ways, and definitely I will share those trick or uh, tricks or tips with you time to time. So I think yeah, it's almost a 5-minute video now. So yeah, okay, bye bye guys, bye for now.